If you want to customize the app drawer on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, once you go to the app drawer, you can tap on this setting icon in the top right corner to find some options for the app drawer. For example, we can enable and disable app suggestions that are actually enabled by default, so if you don't like them, you can tap on this setting and turn them off. We also have app categories, which we can remove over here or completely disable, and these categories are over here at the top on the left next to the settings. We also have the scroll bar, which we can use the original layout or we can sort it A to Z. We have the background, so we can set up dark, light, or auto background, and you can also remove the transparency so that we actually have the wallpaper over here, and we can press apply once we are done. And we can also enable the option that allows the phone to add new apps to the home screen when we install new apps. We can group icons by color, and we can also add animations in color categories. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!